are back with Gallon Velvet reviews today. And I just got this new tank, RO tank. It's a 4-gallon, I forgot, APEC maybe it's called. I don't even remember the name, but it's called something. We're going to do an unboxing review right now. We'll do another review on installing it, and I'll compare it to the iSpring, because I have iSpring as well, so we can compare them later on, see which one, has more water, whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna hold my ruler up over here. Alright, so it's called TankRo. This is what the box looks like. So we'll go a little bit closer so you can see the box. This is kind of what the box looks like. I guess that's the model number right there. Flip it around, there you go. This is included, is what it says. You guys can pause that and see what's up. I forgot to put the instructions up. These are the instructions right here. Well, this is what they give you. So you can give that a pause. And that's on the back. So you guys can pause that. Alright, so we got the base over here, which is, this kind of looks the same exact base that came with the iSpring. This is the top, kind of looks the same as well. We got the tank right here. This is kind of what it looks like. It doesn't need Teflon tape. Look, there is, if you can see in there, there is a gasket, an O-ring, whatever, so that when that's compressed, so actually this doesn't even need it, so okay, that works out. I wouldn't crank tight on this, it'll probably end up cracking, so just do it tight enough, and if it leaks, do it tight, don't crank on this, because what's going to end up happening is if you crank on this, then it's going to crack, and then it's going to leak, and then there's nothing. This is where the where you can pressurize it. Take this off. This off, you can hook up any kind of pump, bicycle pump, whatever kind of pump, and you can pressurize this. If you lose pressure, I mean, I don't know how long this tank lasts. The iSprings that I have are 3 years old, and they're still good to go. Some people said they get 2 years, some people said they get 10 years, so I guess it really depends on how bad your water quality is. Then it will damage the inside of the tank, I guess, so it's a really big thing on that. It's kind of what it's going to look like, very simple. It's a push fitting, so you're just going to push your 1/4 inch in there. It's very simple. Here is the height right here, so you guys can see all the way to the top. You're looking at 17 inches. To here, you're looking at about 14 inches, 17 inches, and then the entire width, you're looking at about 13 inches of width is what you're looking at. I mean, remember you have this here. If you ever need to do this, I don't know. I never need to do mine. It's 3 years old, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing review. And that's it for Gallon Velvet reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.